Hi friends, myself Girish Pradhan. Welcome to Plant at Home channel. Jade is a succulent plant with a small, thick and glossy leaves having red stems. It stores water in its trunk and leaves, so it can survive without regular watering. In this video, you will learn how to care, grow and propagate jade plant as an indoor and outdoor plant. Before we begin, please click on subscribe button and bell button to get notifications on my new videos. You have to keep jade plant at least 5 to 6 hours of indirect sunlight, and it can tolerate partial shade. Place it in a window facing south, east or west and make sure to protect it from direct sunlight. Jade plant is very low watering needs. If you wish to boost the lifespan of the jade plant, make sure not to overwater it. There is an easy way to check if it needs water. Put your finger into the top inch of soil. If it feels dry, it is time to water moderately and spray the water immediately. To grow jade plant, soil mixture is very important. You have to use gardening soil of 50%, reverse sand 25% and organic compost 25%. Mix all this soil and having effective drainage is important for jade plant. Pruning the jade plant is very important to revive the plant. Do not water the plant before pruning because its trunk, stems and leaves will be filled with moisture. Wait until the soil is dry. To encourage a bushy growth, you can use scissor or pinch out the terminal buds with your fingers. Prune out any dead or dying stems and any shoots emerging from the trunk, or prune the plant to the desired shape. One of the major issues you will face is jade leaves are falling or plant is dying. Jade leaves could fall prematurely from being too wet or too dry, for lack of nitrogen in the soil or for need of more sunlight. Jade has moderate fertilization needs. Apply used coffee grounds mixed with water and keep for a day and spray about once in a month. Spray to the leaves during the early morning for jade plant so that plant will be healthy. Jade plant is a low maintenance house plant. If you spend some time pruning the plant, you can turn your jade plant into a bonsai tree. An excellent soil drainage is crucial to grow jade plant. Take a pot, make a small hole and fill with a small stone for the effective drainage. Fill the pot with a soil mixture of garden soil, river sand and an organic compost. It is easy to propagate jade plant from cuttings during the growing seasons in spring and summer. Take a small cuttings of 3 to 6 inches from mother plant and remove all the leaves from the bottom and keep the topmost leaves, and let stem cuttings dry out for 1 or 2 days before planting. Fill the pot with soil mixture and spray water to keep the soil mixture before planting. Make a small holes and push the bottom part of the stem cuttings into the soil. Lightly spray water to keep moisture after planting. After 30 days, you can see small jade cuttings started growing with fresh leaves. Spray the water before digging out the stem cuttings from the soil. You can see we have gently started digging out the stem cuttings to see the development of the roots. You can see the well-developed roots from all the stems. You can repot all the well-developed jade plants in a new pot to grow on individual jade plants. Happy planting. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.